Hey guys, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new for the 18th time today wearing this outfit. I'm trying to pre-film because I'm going to be out of town next week. So today I'm going to be talking about the update for my makeup I want to use up in 2018. So I think I skipped the last quarter's update. So we're just going to update for this quarter. And a few things I used up, and yeah, let's talk about that. So between last update and now, I used up the, which one was it? Oh, the Kat Von D Lolita Mini Liquid Lipstick. And then, let's see, the Shaaanxo palette I decluttered. I don't know if that was, I think that was since the last update. But the Shaaanxo palette, basically I had that in my Pan That palette. I did a whole video about it, but basically it was going bad or something, and it was making my eyes kind of itchy, so I was not about to keep using that. So I went ahead and decluttered it. I also decluttered the Kat Von D Ladybird palette because it was getting really, really old and kind of hard to work with. So yeah, sad about that, but what can you do? So I still have, from last time, I still have the Milani Luminoso blush, the Milani Shadow Eyes, the Cafe au lait and Almond Cream, and the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I haven't really used that lately much at all. The Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer and the NYX HD Powder. Those are both in my 5x Fall, but I did not finish them, so I'm going to keep working on them. And then the Wet n Wild Lip Liners in Bear to Comment and Never Pedal Down. One of those is in my Project Pan Roulette, but I did not finish them, so I'm going to carry them over. And then now for this quarter, I am adding the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation, the liquid one, which looks like this. So there's where I am. I like this packaging that you can see where you're at. So I've used quite a bit of it recently, just to kind of use it up. And then I'm going to use up the Kat Von D Powder Foundation, which I haven't used in a while, but I have hit pan. And these go really quick. Like powder foundation I use up really, really fast. Once I use it, I have been using a lot of liquid foundation lately. I don't think I've used this in months, so I'll try to use it maybe on days where I don't want to wear so much makeup, but I don't necessarily want to wear just a cream, you know. And then I wanted to add in the BH Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Clara. This is a dupe for Kat Von D Lolita. So yeah, this one actually lasts a really, really long time. I just don't advocate for BH Cosmetics anymore because I only trust brands that are approved on logicalharmony.net, and BH Cosmetics is not. So yeah, I mean, like, as far as being cruelty free, like, that's what I mean by that, if you haven't seen my other videos. So basically, I only use cruelty free makeup that is listed by brands that are listed on logicalharmony.net. BH Cosmetics is not. So I mean, something could happen and they could get listed on there, but I don't know. I'll just go ahead and work on this. And the last one is the Kat Von D lipstick in the shade Lovecraft. That is my oldest lipstick, so I don't know if I want to use it up or not, but I just put it on here anyways. If I don't use much of it by the end of the year, I'm just going to get rid of it because it's really old. So my plan was, like a couple months ago, was I wanted to use up a whole bunch of stuff so that I could fit it all like in a little bag and take it in my RV, because I wanted to buy an RV, and I still want to buy an RV, but I think I'm going to have to buy a house because I have too much stuff, which is why that's why I'm filming against the wall here instead of at my desk, like filming back this way, because I have so much stuff. But I'm trying to like run my business out of my bedroom, so it was kind of hard. And but yeah, that plan to like fit all my makeup in a makeup bag is not going to work. So I just, like, I want to have stuff to talk about on the channel, and having a small bag is probably not gonna make for much content. So yeah, and I also do like playing with new stuff, and I like getting new colors, and yeah, all that. So like, I'm just gonna keep going, like doing occasional project pans. Like this year I wanted to do like a certain number, like I think 4 project pans, so I just finished my third one, I think was the 5x Fall. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. I'll link my project pan playlist below. I don't remember if I put these videos in there or not. Maybe I did, I'm not sure. But then I'm going to do the 12 pans of Christmas. I'm starting at the beginning of November, and that goes up until the new year. So then after that, I don't think I'm going to do that many more, like maybe 1 or 2 here and there. Just because I don't have a lot of makeup that I want to like actively use up right now. Because my list is kind of dwindling down as I've decluttered a lot of the stuff that was on the list. So that's about it for this video. Let me know what you think. I will post a finale to this at the end of the year sometime. I don't know when. Or maybe at the beginning of next year. And yeah, subscribe so you don't miss any other videos, other project pans about makeup, all that kind of stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.